All right, we are looking at some news from the AI Summit. According to sources, Noida-based Galgotias University has been asked to vacate the India AI Impact Summit after controversy over presenting a Chinese robodog as its own. The university claimed it did not build the device, but fact-checked on X showed that Galgotias explicitly claimed development at the summit. The showcased robodog Orion was actually a Chinese-made Unitree G02, commercially available for around $2,800. Controversy erupted as the university faced massive social media backlash for misrepresenting the device. Meanwhile, Galgotia's university professor Dr. Aishwarya Shrivastava has given a statement. Let's in fact listen in.
मैं डॉक्टर ऐश्वर्या श्रीवास्तव गलगोटिया यूनिवर्सिटी से प्रोफेसर।
ये जो पूरा स्टॉल है अपना इनोवेशन का आपने बहुत सारा कुछ डिस्प्ले किया, लेकिन एक कंट्रोवर्सी खड़ी हो गई जो कल एक रोबो आपने डिस्प्ले किया था। क्या कहना है इस बारे में, क्योंकि चाइना का क्लेम है कि ये उनका प्रोडक्ट है।
बिल्कुल सर, उनका ही। हमने कभी क्लेम नहीं किया कि हमने इसको मैन्युफैक्चर किया। हमने कहीं उसका लोगो भी हाइड करने की कोशिश नहीं करी। हमने केवल ये कहा कि हमने इसको अपने यूनिवर्सिटी में एज अ पार्ट ऑफ द इन्वेस्टमेंट हम इनको लेके आए हैं ताकि बच्चे उससे इंटरैक्ट करें और उसको एक्सप्लोर करके रिसर्च और डेवलपमेंट के पर्पज से लाए। एज अ पार्ट ऑफ ऑल ऑफ दिस, जैसे हमने ये सेंटर फॉर ड्रोन इंटेलिजेंस एंड सिमुलेशन बनाया है, एनवीडिया लैब है हमारे यहाँ रिसर्च के लिए, तो हम चाहते थे बच्चे उसको देख के अपने मॉडल्स, अपने प्रोटोटाइप्स बनाने की कोशिश करें। एज अ पार्ट ऑफ द एआई इन्वेस्टमेंट हमने उसको यहाँ शोकेस किया क्योंकि वो बहुत इंटरेक्टिव था और बच्चे उसमें इन्वॉल्व होते हैं, कोशिश करते हैं खुद बनाने की, पर हमने कहीं ये क्लेम नहीं किया कि वो हमने बनाया है।
लेकिन जो चीज़ें रिपोर्ट हुई है उसमें ये कहा गया है कि गलगोटिया ने उसने कहा कि हमने इसमें 300 करोड़ रुपए खर्च किए।
नहीं सर, इस पे नहीं कहा हमने, यही मिस इंटरप्रिटेशन।
Across to my colleague Arzu Seth, who is joining us live from the Bharat Mandapam. Arzu, take us through this controversy that has actually taken place. I'll go to Arzu Seth shortly, but this is a controversy that has in fact erupted. Now you saw the statement of the professor from the university who has stated that they never claimed that they had developed this robodog. They had in fact purchased many such robots to teach children. Let me now go back to my colleague Arzu Seth. Arzu, take us through this entire controversy that has erupted at the AI Summit.
Well, definitely, a new controversy has erupted as far as Galgotiya University is concerned, as the authorities have asked the Galgotiya University to empty their stall from the AI Impact Summit 2026. As what we're getting to know that they have shown the, robot which was made from China as their own, and the Chinese-made robot was shown at their stall, in the hall, which the pavilion which was assigned to Galgotia's University. There were several other things, but apart from that, the robot was the main attraction at that stall. And now what we are getting to know that the authorities have asked to vacate the stall immediately after this controversy erupted. Yes.
Right, Arzu, I request you to please stay on with us